To create a new buffer, you can use badd with the file name. When we run ls, we can see that new is there. To write to that buffer, you first have to load the buffer. You can use buffload function with the file name. You can check if the buffer is already loaded with buffloaded function. You can see that it is 0 before the buff load, and it becomes 1 after the buff load. Previously we covered getLine, setLine, append function to manipulate the text in the current buffer. Here everything is the same, except that you have to specify the buffer in the first argument. You can either use the file name, or you can also use the buffnr function to get the buffer number. I'm just going to use the file name. So this would write the lines to the new buffer. Let's open it to see the changes. You can see that the file contains a text. Let's add more text in the content area using the append buff line. Now, reading the lines with getBuffLine. And lastly, deleting the lines with deleteBuffLine.